Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Now our work is to do the laser welding for the EV59 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. This battery is suitable for the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Yes, I introduced for you guys many times. Yes, you can see this type of battery cell. It is laser weld with the M8 starter here. This is M8. And the distance for this is 130. This distance is 55. And work with our 3D block. It can be the same size as the original of LEV40. Yes, let's see the details of our laser welding. You can see our worker measure when we laser weld it, and also will do the total resistance test to see if it's laser weld it well. If you have needs for this EV59 amp-hour for your Outlander PHEV upgrade, you can contact with our sales freely to get the latest quotation. This battery is the brand new grade A cell and with a 2 years warranty. It is the battery cell already laser welded well. You can see each of the cell is no gap between it. It is with the real QR code, and we can provide the testing report for you guys to check this bulk of battery cell. The capacity test from the testing report is 60 ampere around, but it's based on the 2.8 volt to 4.35 voltage. It is the high voltage type of the battery cell. For the voltage of 3 volt to 4.1 volt, it can get 50 ampere for this EV59 ampere. If you want to know more details about this brand new grade A battery cell to upgrade your Outlander PHEV, contact with our sales freely. Thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you in next video. Bye bye.